Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share your project on CapCut. So let's get started. So the first step would be to make sure you have downloaded the CapCut to the latest version and updated it as well. And now let's begin. So the first step would be open your CapCut application, and now here follow the steps in the video until the end. So over here, when you click on the video, you can see on the right hand side we have our project details, and we can see our project location as well. So if you want to transfer this project, all you have to do is open the location on your device. So over here you can see our location was in C drive, so head on to your C drive as well. And now you have this option for users. Click on this users folder, and here you can see our username is below. So after you have clicked there, you can see the option for app data. If you don't have this option, all you have to do is go to view and click on hidden folders as well. So after you have done that, all you have to do is click on app data. So now here you can see the option for local, and now search for CapCut folder. Alright, so now click over here, and inside there you can see we have our user data. So now click on user data, and finally here you can see the folder for projects. So once you're in your project folder, you can see that we have already some folders. So now all you have to do is click on this folder, and here you can see our folder name matches our CapCut project. So click over there, and all you have to do is copy this, and now you can paste it into a new folder, and now that is how you will be able to share that folder. So that is how you'll be able to share your CapCut project file. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.